Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'll be showing you this Lebanese style creamy shawarma which I made for my guests some days back. Like, it's so creamy, so yummy, and so full. Like, I'll be showing you the steps on how I made this. So you'll be needing chicken breasts, and the chicken breasts, you cut them into flat strips. You have to cut them into flat strips. And then for the dry ingredients, I used grounded pepper, all-purpose spice, salt, seasoning cube, and paprika. I'll be adding this to the bowl. And also you'll be needing Greek yogurt. I have video on how I make homemade Greek yogurt. You can make your Greek yogurt at home if you find it difficult getting Greek yogurt in the supermarket. So you add some Greek yogurt to the chicken, and then you add some vegetable oil. You mix thoroughly until it's well incorporated. Oh, and I almost skipped this. You add grounded garlic and onions to the chicken breasts. You know the Lebanese, they love garlic a lot, so you add a lot of garlic to this, and then you mix thoroughly and you marinate for 30 minutes. So after marinating the chicken breast for 30 minutes, you get a wooden skewer, and then you pass the wooden skewer through the chicken breast, just the way I'm doing it. So once you're done with that, you get a baking tray, and then you arrange the chicken breast on the baking tray and you put it in the oven, or if you have an outdoor grill, then you can grill this. So I'll be using my oven to grill the chicken breast. So this is how it looks like after grilling in the oven for 30 minutes. So you can also use an outdoor grill, which is actually best for me. So once you're done grilling the chicken, then you take them off from the skewer, and then you cut them into tiny bits. So now we are going to prepare our cream. Like, the cream has to be very, very rich. Like, if you want to get that Lebanese style shawarma, your cream has to be very rich. Once you follow this step, then you have no issues getting that Lebanese style shawarma. So I used Greek yogurt, garlic, grounded garlic, and onions, some ketchup. I added some ketchup to this. And then I mix thoroughly. You can also add grounded pepper. It's optional, but I added grounded pepper. If you want it spicy, you add some grounded pepper or some black pepper. So I added some grounded pepper to mine because I'm a Nigerian. So for the wrap, you'll be needing a tortilla or a shawarma bread. So here I use the shawarma bread for this. So you'll be needing a tortilla or shawarma bread, and then you apply generously. You apply your cream generously to the wrap, just the way I'm doing this. You have to apply generously if you want that creamy shawarma. You apply a lot to this. Oh, and also you'll be needing cabbage and carrots. So you mix the cabbage and carrots with your cream, which you've already prepared, the shawarma cream. You mix the cabbage and carrots with the shawarma cream too, and then you put it in the shawarma bread. And also you also add the chopped chicken to this. You add the chopped grilled chicken to this. And then you add in some fried Irish potatoes. You can see you add some fried Irish potato to this too, to get that Lebanese style shawarma. And then you add some fried sausages. So after adding all of this to the shawarma bread, then you add some mayonnaise. Yes, you add some mayonnaise on it to get that creamy shawarma. Like, you don't want to have a boring shawarma. It has to be creamy. So you add some mayonnaise to this, and then you wrap up. And now we have to wrap the shawarma. Like, I was finding it difficult to wrap this shawarma. Like, I don't know what was wrong, but like probably because it was my first time, so I was finding it difficult to wrap this. But eventually we found our way around it and we did it. So I tried again without separating the shawarma bread. I did it with the whole shawarma bread, and then I put in everything into the shawarma bread just to see if it's going to wrap well. And I guess I did well with this. It came out well. The wrap was okay. So so after wrapping this, then you put it in the shawarma maker to heat it up a bit, or you get a fry pan and then you put it in the fry pan and then you heat it up a bit to get that crunchy shawarma wrap. And this was after doing all of that, and you can see how creamy this looks. You can see the filling is so creamy, and everybody in the house loved it. Like my guests, everybody, they loved it and they actually wanted more. And here is my son eating a shawarma. Like, it was so creamy and he loved it, and he was like, mommy, this is actually the best shawarma he has ever had. Like, it was so nice. The chicken was a lot in it. Like, it had a lot of chicken, and he was like, please mommy, can you do this every day for us? I was like, well, but he loved it and he was just commenting on this. So I hope you'll be trying this recipe. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.